boy there, you know. You just have to sign paper and say, yo, this is my tune, you know. Anyhow, me hear this tune anyway, you are coming.
Watch. At the world, it's not a plan, a franchise, is choosing one. The 10-star general. You know what I say? We're up on 2 first, the most name brand ends in a New York City. I'm there with my GT gangster friend them. Don't know?
Don't know. Rasta thing.
Yo. Alright.
Real general. Tell them to stop praise Jesus, praise the Almighty. Selassie, you don't know.
Yeah, and the reason why I'm go so far for make you know all of them things there. The topic about me here, Mavado like him a war with popcorn. You hear me I say no gully God. I beg you for love popcorn alone, you know, cause popcorn a look at you. Cause you say him sell out, right?
Boy.
No, we not gonna say that. You hear me I say? We will let the gully God, but we are gonna say.
You know we say?
We are gonna say.
Miss Ivy School in the
Miss Ivy School we went to. Bounty killer the general, the 5-star general. No other general, Mavado idiot.
Hey, you know them GT man, I say.
I mean, I like them.
Right.
Some I say Mavado love popcorn alone. Because young popcorn father didn't have the war. You see what I say? And you know squash it. Because I guess the Jamaican security and presidential clips so enough for done it. I done it. And cartel the last man standing, I just say you know do nothing more, it done. Right now me hear you say popcorn a sell out. Remember those who are there, you know, Father's Day, you go link back the 5-star general bounty killer and bless up everything, you know. So give popcorn look at time to redeem himself as a local youth. He must see himself and he must link up back the general vibes cartel and make everything go. Because if you don't know where you come from, you can't know where you go, you know. So you have to know where you come from and know so which part you come from, a vibes cartel. You see what I say?
I posted about a bounty killer the other day. One over dead. One like it, one over dead.
Remember me already not telling you that already. When you think I drew up the 10-star general did I make, when you forgot me did already telling you that already. Bring back bounty friggin' something go game. Alright. Gully God. Leave popcorn. What you for do right now? I think we for farmer union, a dancehall union with a whole heap of top man in the member of the group. Because dancehall record, all #1 song on dancehall billboard, I sell 2,000 copies. Where the fuck that? 1,800. Where the fuck that? Eh? If you don't merge with an international company in America, you think you can sell, that's it can sell gold and platinum. Just like a footballer who come from the third world, anytime them come fame, and a club see him and say them want him. Them say them want him on trials. Them not come with the money up front with them agent and say, we discuss such and such million. Them say them want him on trials. And when them can't go on trials and them try him, them claim is either him not too fit or me no know what the problem, because when you go to Brazil, Argentina, even the African country, them where you go to even Nigeria and them places, you think you can go there go tell them boy you want them ball upon trials? You have to have 50, 60, 70, 80 million to even discuss about them baller. Otherwise them not go in and talk with you know. So you know, as a dancehall artist have to come together and go up a UA, go take some of the bright students them who are do marketing and make them market dancehall music on a different level from us and stop make the girl them a skin out in the video them and show certain type, expose certain type of thing, because the international country them and everybody react to that. Remember marketing what do, so we have to do a thing professional to make everybody love it. You hear me I say?
For that.
You hear me I tell you? Watch you are going. I say, when you go up at UA, get some of the bright students them, and we are going to put marketing on a different level. And all of the artists them for come together. We're not supposed to trace one another. We for come together and do a lot of collaboration. you know what I mean, and set dancehall on a different level, because a dancehall run the world, you don't have to know that. You see what I say? Right now, the biggest set of hip-hop singer, them and all of them, be a dancehall rhythm, them are youth. For shell them thing. You see what I say? So I don't know if you don't see that. You know what I mean? Because I tell you something, it come like from creation, from the man them choose. Judas over Christ. It come like say, if you're not bad, you don't get no recognition. And we as rascal poor people, the only people we can take set on our one another. Yo, a time for we ease up off our one another and come together. You hear me I tell you? And we can make a big difference, because Golly God, you are one of the main man in the thing. You see what I say? We come together and we'll get dancehall music together, you hear me? And big union, you know what I mean? Whole heap of group of people, the 5-star General Bounty Killer supposed to be one of the president, the Dr. Beanie man. All of them artists, the whole of the Morgan Heritage family, also the whole of the Marley family, you hear me I tell you?
Them for be versatile.
You see what I tell you? Alright.
Be versatile. I be slackness when I keep up. This is why it says the bun on our out. Hear that tune there? Listen them tune there.
Yeah, man, sir. Lava!
The wicked love the wicked couple and the girl them love getting a trouble and run to Rasta.
General 10 star.
Let's preserve like music, because I feel with this no need to compete but better voice. Our lyricists no quote no enough in misplay. I know dash up in mistake we
have
many rivers to cross like Jamaica. Overcome the best stress and
pull up that bumbo clad. Pull up that GT boss. Watch. The General 10 star. I'm bullet bursting off.
The wicked love them, pick up in and neglect them. Love getting a trouble and run to Rasta, we save them.
Give thanks and praise to the Most High God. No man is worthy enough. Watch. The General in a top form.
Nothing misplay. I know dash up the mistake we got. Many rivers to cross like Jamaica. Overcome the best, stress and sing.
Redemption song, shoot the wicked like a weapon thing.
Through them ego, them must said that them are the best and sin. Yet all them promote a bless and sin. The masses never recognize Tess and chill until she enter the voice. Contest and win.
She have music in her blood, flesh and thing. Long time she ready to salute, some Tess and sting. Wanna hear what me I say?
No father people from dirty sky.
Yeah.
Belong destroy the parents and hurt the children.
Lava!
Children but earth is quiet. Some people squat, that's when life burns the side.
Till I've gone the purse, them a search she kind. And she can't afford food, but just thirsty night. Feel the lamp, now get look a thirsty boy. Yo, what togetherness. We don't have to come together, I want to listen big tune. A platinum, I give them tune, yeah.
Them say one like an only gate. Them fight against us, now them know we straight. I grab about most car, most bike, most height, most right. Me see it clear so that them force right.
Big up the General Bounty Killer.
In the most life, try the most from a start the most, no fight. Them all of that on the earth, people love the smoke. When them fish in the room, and the dirty home. Now the liquor keep broken up.
For money, enough for try the slutty road. Slightly shoot with cutting out. The children from the vampire, them sucking out. The righteous will be crushing out. Kick out!
No father pick up this time. Babylon destroy the parents, them hurt the child. Them want the whole of life, children want earth to spoil. So my God, people squatters when life bursts aside. Till all granny first, them a search for kind. And she can't afford food, but let's guys now. Feed the lamb, I'll get little saucy boy. Artists, them a flash and on the trusting star. Chopping. The grave.